They are here. I'm literally doing it. Look, it's not even being opened. I'm having a identity crisis right now. Okay, I don't know who I am, but I go from this from time to time. It's okay. It's okay. If you followed me for ages, then you know this. This is me today. So, why my nails up? I haven't seen myself with teeth for ages, and I'm not gonna lie, I have been so insecure. That's why I'm really making any content. So, box. I'm taking my nails off. That's great. There's the little thing they come in. Obviously, they're all like disinfected, and I shall show you the world. My teeth. See my bottom teeth? Okay, let's be gentle with them. Are like quite straight. My top teeth, okay. Oh, no. That. Look at that. That all hell's up. But let's go for it. I'm really nervous. Right. So, my teeth. Oh, my teeth again! Oh my god, the lisp is back. Oh my god. Oh. Wait, let me get better light. I have not had tea for so long. I feel so strange. But